Welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you how to check battery usage for an app on your phone. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Battery or Battery Usage. The name might vary depending on your device. Next, you'll see a list of apps along with their battery usage percentage. Tap on any app to see more details about how much battery it's using and when it was last active. If you're on an Android phone, you might also see an option to view battery optimization, where you can adjust settings to save battery for specific apps. On an iPhone, you can go to Settings Battery and scroll down to see a breakdown of battery usage by app. And that's it. Now you know how to check battery usage for any app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.